It's gonna absorb everything, so it should like prolapse out a little since we're on the topic of prolapsing and stuff. Head underwater. Chow, what's the first EDM song you can remember listening to? Or like first techno song or whatever. Or artist, I guess. Hi, Grumpy Bear. You have room for an electric deep fryer? I was gonna take it to Jeffrey's work for the chickens. I really don't have room for anything. And this one, I don't know. Should we do 120, 130? Put what on my wish list? Nice porch, thank you. No, this is for breakfast and for experimenting for like Instagram reels. Chat, thank you so much. Last month we made $120 from people watching Instagram reels. So thank you to this community as well for watching. I'm going to try to do them with the recipe and see if we can get more views on them this round. This one's way more chia seed pudding. Or chia seedy. Chia seedy, sorry. This one's 120 grams. Almond milk. Cool frozen summer dog treat. Oh, that's nice. Unsweetened coconut milk. That's dope. First one I know is the name of Traffic Tiesto. Let's go. I think my first was like Daft Punk, probably. Wait, was it 125? We'll watch. Yeah, right when they come out. It's very like little like cents to the view. But literally every view counts. Hi, Bull Red's wife. Happy Sunday. How are you? You put them in your water? I love chia seeds too a lot. I want to try to do a chia seed pudding. I haven't done any of those before. But I think those are kind of... I'm going for my Instagram, like, destroying foods. Kind of like